Yeah, I basically don't guess and tell me what I'm having for breakfast, guys. I'm having jerk chicken, corn, sweet potato, and a slice of bread, hard dough bread. Yep. So there is the meat right here. I'm just gonna pop piece, yeah, to make my tea. And get this little piece right here. Yeah, this is to make my tea. Yeah. Channel, welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and I am back at it again. Gonna give my flowers them some water, and then I'm just gonna have myself some breakfast and then just chill out for a minute. Yeah, and then maybe vacuum this thing right here. Yeah, so hope everything is good with you guys. Yeah, not a lot. Yeah. Yeah, it's running out already. Yeah. These guys love the sun, man. They love the sun. Yeah, they love the sunlight. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, nice. So nice. Like them. Yeah, they love the sunlight, guys. They love the full sun. Yeah. Yeah, they love it so much. Yeah, look at that. My wife said I should trim them down so I can see the planter. I said no, man. I said leave them, let them hang like this, man. Let them just enjoy their life. I'm not trimming them down. I love the way how they look. Tell me what you think, guys. Tell me in the comments. Should I trim them up or just leave them, let them just be themselves? What do you think, guys? Yeah, so now I'm gonna see if I can vacuum this thing right here. These are Maxi and Alex egg chairs. Yeah. Yeah. Here, window blossoms withered and dry up and fall off. They will, some of them will drop on the carpet. So I'll just vacuum them up. Yeah. right here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get piece of mint. I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of tea and have, yeah, I basically don't guess and tell me what I'm having for breakfast, guys. I'm having jerk chicken, corn, sweet potato, and a slice of bread, hard-dough bread. Yep. So there is the mint right here. I'm just gonna pop piece, yeah, to make my tea. And get this little piece right here. Yeah, this is to make my tea. Yeah, sun is coming up already. Look at that. Look at those guys. They are so beautiful, man. Yeah, lovely. Lovely, look at that. Man. Nice. So let me wash my piece of mint right here. Yeah, I could wash it in the kitchen sink, guys, but sometimes I just take it easy, man. Yeah. Yeah. Make my cup of tea. Tea right here. Yeah. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get my breakfast sorted out and I'll be enjoying my breakfast. Stay tuned. What I'll be out for my breakfast, I have some jerk chicken that I jerk the other night. I have a piece of hard-dough, a slice of hard-dough bread, a roast corn, and baked potato, and I got my piece of mint that I just picked in the back of the yard, and I got my cinnamon sugar to go on my sweet potato right here, and of course I have my kettle with my hot water. This kettle is from Pioneer Woman. I like this brand. The fresh aroma coming off of it on this bright crispy morning, it just mint up the whole air, guys. Nice. Breakfast was lovely. Yeah. So guys, breakfast was lovely. A blessed one. Let me show you the flowers them one more time before. Let me show you guys the flowers. Let me show you guys the flowers them one more time before I go. Beautiful. Yeah. This is one of my quiet areas that I love to come chill out. Yeah. Nice. I like it, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Nice. I like it, guys. Nice. Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. So guys, until I see you again on the next video, you have yourself a blessed and prosperous one. Alright? Be safe. Have blessing and prosperity on your journey in life. Have a blessed one.